Good morning, everyone. How's it going? Good morning, everyone. Let's finish this week out strong. Let's just chill today, bro. Nah, I didn't take this. This was like in pre-market. This was before I even hopped on. It's only B minus. This your first time here after watching the WAP education? Alright, fire. What have you been trading before, or like you're kind of just getting into trading now? Patty, also, do you have the indicator? You have the Dodge indicator? Did I ever get that too? I can't remember. Okay, word, yeah. Text me your TradingView username. I'll get that over to you. The stream's blurry. Is the stream blurry for anyone else? Oh, fire. Yeah, so dude, Kareem, the indicator will help you so much, bro. It'll help keep you a disciplined trader. You know, we also have contract sizing as well, so you're not going to be over risking and, over leveraging within the position as well. The indicator will help keep you a disciplined trader. If your chart already looks like this, bro, like where you can manage to, not crash out and actually have pretty decent days, bro, you're like right there. This is the Dodge indicator. This is the 2022 model though, right here. 2022 model right here. So we'll see if we have any entry signals for this. We are actually in the process of doing kind of like a completely rehaul on the Keswick indicator, the 2022 model. So this is required macro times off. So yeah, we're doing basically like a full like rehaul of this indicator. So it's gonna be, it's gonna have a complete rehaul. Yeah, your charts look solid. That looks good. I use ICT kill zones as well for the liquidity, but I have my settings like this if you want to take a screenshot. Which one shows the volume, DOT, and the contract size? With the checklist table? Yeah, that's the IFEG indicator. So, if we turn this off, it's this one right here, IFEG Ultimate Plus by Dodgy DD. So, this is it. So, it has, the contract sizing right here. It has take profit, break even, stop loss. It has alerts for you, the strategy checklist, right, off here to the right. I turn off the watermark, but, this is Dodgy's indicator. So now if we go back here, we can see that this trade obviously fully delivered down to the lows. But once it stops loading, you can see there's a checklist right here, and here's the watermark as well.
Yo.
Yo.
What up?
Yeah, it works in Asia and London session as well. It works for any session. I'm trying to use ICT essentials for liquidity instead. Has equal highs, equal lows, daily highs. Oh, NCR, is that what you're saying? Hold on, let me try. ICT essentials. Let me see this real quick. It's not bad, but it's too, it's actually not bad, but it's too, it's too big on the screen and stuff. It's not bad. Nah, Doji's indicator isn't for free. Hey, you just passed your first funnel? That's fire, bro. Nicholas, send that in the successful trades. Definitely send that in the successful trades. I didn't mean to forward all of them, but it's the IFEG one. The DD is like the entry signal, so that's where you go long or short for the indicator. That's just saying like that's the entry signal.
Let's see.
Yeah, these are the settings for the indicator. Just take a screenshot of this, series sensitive neutral, and these buttons. Anything under liquidity, you're going to want to take a second to fully read yourself and customize your own charts. We also have a YouTube video posted. Let's look up how to set up the Doji indicator. This is 15 minutes. Right here, 15 minutes. Dude, we've been dumping.
Yeah, that is.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like, I was looking at the charts last night. I didn't take anything, but like in hindsight, it actually is so crazy because yesterday we pumped up, right? Oh shit, what was it was the 1 hour. So we pumped up from 9:30, delivered up to that 1 hour for Valley Gap, like in discount of the range, like of the bearish range, and then from there we just had the 15-minute change in the state, and that was literally the top. Swiped out the internal, delivered from the 1 hour, 15-minute change in the state, and that shit just bled all fucking night.
Yeah, nah, we dumped hard overnight.
Crazy. We definitely could come for this data high right here, 169.
Yeah, could resweep that.
Yeah, that could be definitely a very good draw on liquidity. Alright. 4 hour. So 4 hour on ES and NQ are pretty misaligned. We do have a pretty big SMT at the lows. Yeah. So 4 hour has a nice SMT at the lows. 1 hour NQ definitely looks a lot weaker than ES. We are still inside of a 4 hour as well. 15-minute, we took out all draws and liquidity lower on NQ but failed to on ES. So we still have New York AM low and previous day low on ES but not on NQ.
Yeah.
I mean, this could be really the last sweep. We swept out Asia and London and then just re-swept that low again. So we're delivering from this 15-minute. I'll just kind of see what market open really does, honestly. We do have a small 1 hour for Valley Gap.
Oh, yeah.
So I'll be watching that.
Where data is.
Yeah. Data honestly doesn't look terrible. I don't.
Yeah, no, it doesn't.
Yeah. London
pretty much consolidated. I mean, this could just break for lower too.
Definitely, yeah. honestly, we're gonna have to like.
It's probably going to, honestly. It's gonna go for that unfilled end walk that we never touched
I was. Hold on, where do I have
with the
it?
devil's mark. Weekly devil's mark is kind of wicked. At this point now, this candle on the weekly was in the open, high, low, close. We're gonna have a reverse TGIF today.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, no, honestly, I think the volume imbalance is the draw for like until we can really have a buy model. Hold on, let me just double check.
This 4-hour inverse, we retraced into the 4-hour BPR, and then at least on ES, and then we started to dump off of that. Like data came back in on ES and filled in that 4-hour wick.
Mm-hmm.
Held the wick, probably held CE here. Yeah, tapped CE perfectly, and then we're coming down off of that. We'll probably end up coming for previous day low and breaking the S&T, and then trending for those lows down into that previous end walk.
Yeah.
I think he would have to dump 360 points for that end walk, but holy, crypto is getting rinsed.
Yeah, bro. I don't even want to look at my portfolio for anything anymore.
Jeez, Bitcoin is getting. What the? Bro, that monthly that I marked out and the CISD, that shit ticked the CISD and only came above it by 300 points. So 0.3%. It wicked past the CISD on the monthly, and now it's down from that CISD is down 26%.
Wait, hold on. I'm checking your screen. Oh, this is Bitcoin?
Yeah, let me get rid of some of this. So we have like these standard deviations, like a retrace. Like this is already bearish in my eyes. This standard deviation here was like a retrace. This leg here, we retraced into like the retracement area, -125, overlapping the CISD.
Wow.
We have this weekly, monthly gap here. There was also this volume node that I had marked out, and then we came all the way down from 82s, and we're coming down, trending into. I mean, dude, honestly, Bitcoin might go for 49.
Yeah.
Might go down to 50K.
You see Daisy? He started dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin.
Really?
Yeah, look at.
I don't know. For some reason, I just don't have any belief in crypto. I don't know.
Look at the yearly. He's buying on the yearly chart. So
Look at this candle up here.
I know it's crazy, but yearly for value gap.
What happens if the yearly gap inverses?
Oh, bro, I don't even want to know.
Then we go for the yearly devil's market, 16K.
Dude.
Then we buy. I don't know. I just hate crypto. Also, I feel like if crypto was like truly backed by as much big money as they say, like it shouldn't just be swinging 30% up and down. Like there should be some more stability to it.
Yeah. The ranges on Bitcoin have been crazy. We're down 50% from all-time highs.
That's what I'm saying. It's kind of like, I mean,
it's insane.
On any other like instrument, that's a like more than a correction to crash.
Yeah.
We did dump pretty hard overnight, so I mean, honestly, what we're down from 6 p.m. to the lows, like 400 points. But since we ranged, like we dumped, we ranged. The top of this range is coming out of the 4-hour, and technically we closed the low of the range on the 15-minute and broke the low instead of like just a sweep.
Yeah.
And we have a draw at 29,920, which is not far. It's 120 points. And then we were coming off of 705 of the high time frame, like the 4-hour range around Asia's low, but like we're failing to kind of hold that. So I almost feel like we're not going to end up holding that OT. 7.9 is at 982, but on the higher time frame, like I typically like to see us hold like 705 at the max. I feel like whenever we come down deeper, we end up just breaking the last discount.
Fair.
And then ideally like to be bullish. Like yesterday, the resweep into that 4 hours should have sent us back up, and then like like we got that 4 hour gap, a 10 a.m. candle yesterday, but we inversed that overnight, and then made like a CISD off of that and this bearish gap.
Mm-hmm.
So, and then like everything from the top, like we had a lot of opportunity to like inverse like back up towards all-time highs, and we kind of failed.
Yeah, no, we have not been pushing up.
Yeah, and then there's an SMT up at previous day high, and then currently we have like a kind of like a weekly and daily cycle SMT, like SSMT at the previous day low, but could just be due to ES like not being as weak. And then I mean today is Friday, so could see like price die out. We did have like pretty free price action through the week.
Yeah, no, we've had
So
insane price action.
yeah.
I just want to pass
But
these down. So I'm done for the week.
valid. Yeah, kind of do just want to see short like the data wick manipulated into like 15-minute gap on ES, and then on NQ kind of like manipulated into a wick that tapped a gap. So we could end up leaving data alone, but I mean if we're gonna go take it, it's gonna be obvious. Like we'll see the obvious flip before then. Like this 5 minutes just retracing and then like selling every retrace down. And then I don't think we're gonna go this far down. I mean, who the fuck knows? But around like 763 are like relative equal lows, like high time frame relative equal lows towards that NWOG.
Oh wow, yeah, okay, that's deep. But I mean, honestly, I mean it's the way that this sell model looks from the top. Like we should just start elevatoring down. Honestly.
Kind of looks like it. I mean, at this point, like yeah, like this high time frame, we've just been holding like the retraces downward.
Yeah, I do like. I don't know if I like all the way down to 672, only because.
No, I wouldn't short the way down there, but if that's a high time frame draw, I would short towards it.
Oh no, definitely.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't hold a short for how many points is that? Yeah, no, I wouldn't try shorting 300 points, but I would try shorting down towards those lows. We have like 920, 863 are like the near term lows, and then those other lows after would be like extended levels.
Yeah. All right. Let's see if we can get something good today.
Yeah, the VIX is spiking today, up 4%. So
wow.
We truly might dump that hard. We'll see. Only contingency for like why shorts wouldn't work is that we have the SMT at the previous day low. It's the only thing.
So that's
other than that, there's really nothing.
Yeah, that's really what I see too. That's it.
Yeah. Like other than that, we're that 4 hour like bullish 4 hour we reswept into yesterday. We're failing that now. We're closing, or not closing, but I mean we're trading well below it.
Yeah.
There's really no other gaps to hold us above from that point, and then like the daily time frame. I mean, I don't see anything to that NWOG. And then honestly, let's see where like discounting this overall daily range is. I have all these drawings, but yeah, like 735 is equilibrium of this entire like daily leg up, which is relatively close to that NWOG fill.
Honestly, I like that.
And we have a daily CISD there with the NWOG as well.
Yeah.
You just see daily CISD, a daily breaker.
YM had a crazy data wick.
That's probably one of like the better data wicks we've had recently. It's like actually like obvious.
Yeah. Oh shit, YM's at all-time highs too now? I don't know why I didn't.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know why I thought that it never got to all-time highs, but
Hmm.
that bitch is running.
Yeah, no, I never thought so either. It was always lagging behind. Maybe on like this, all these dumps down, Lime's just been moving higher.
Mm-hmm. I'll be right back.
But
All right. Still got 7 minutes, 6 minutes.
yeah,
Let's see what gold's doing.
see, Jesus, what the fuck?
That's kind of crazy. Wow.
Damn. Silver's down almost 4% overnight. Good. Yeah, like, look at that, bro. Nasdaq is down double what the S&P is.
Yeah, no, ES is definitely. I mean, I think ES is lagging behind.
But yeah, possibly.
We won't really know until, like, honestly, today is gonna be a big deciding factor for what is gonna come. Either we hold
Yeah,
this
we have
4 hour.
CPI next week too.
Yeah, either we hold this 4 hour, we just completely displace through it, and it's GG's.
Yeah.
If ES closes 4 hour too, it edged it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the thing. This 4 hour we're dumping through, like, it's really nothing to hold us higher than that
No.
at this point. I do think, like, low key, it looks like ES is just trading towards its previous day low.
Yeah.
With that 4 hour that we're coming out of, like, I would think like long towards data would be like the only target, but I'm probably not even gonna long. I just want to look for short
That's valid.
at this point. Because like we got the initial dump overnight, and then we started to consolidate. Then at like 5 a.m., which is technically like that technically a London high because London ends at 5, but we came up and like swept those range highs into the 4 hour there, and then now we're rounding off from there.
No, I do like shorts, honestly, coming into market open. Best case
Doesn't look
scenario,
bad.
we come and tap either like this 1 hour or something. Does the 1 hour? Hold on, 185
Yes.
ish. So yeah, so the 1 hour for Valley Gap lines up kind of like above data highs. That would be kind of sick. You know, long up to data high
Oh yeah, it's not bad. Yeah.
from the 1 hour, and then take shorts continuation back down TJIF.
Could see that. Guess it just comes down. That'd be like the retrace for short if it is like if it's valid.
Yeah, but to
ES just looks like super rounded. Like we have the 1 hour like change in state out of the 4 hour now on ES.
yeah, no, to deliver 180 points for that would be kind of crazy, but that would be like a perfect ideal scenario.
Yeah, ranges are wide as shit today.
Just give us another 5 minute work day.
Honestly, see if we can just end the week off quick. It'd be nice. See, it's 5 minute. Only thing is up to data. Like now we'd have to get to the 5 minute BPR as well.
Yeah. No, we might not even honestly take it.
That's what I'm thinking, kind of. Just hard to tell, really.
The 830, that data high tapped perfectly with midnight open too. We rejected perfectly off midnight open. So, I mean, we may not go for it, but in a perfect scenario, with that 1 hour fair value gap right above it, we tap it, get a 5-minute change in the state from it, and then just fucking bleed all day.
Yeah. Honestly, might just be like a downturn Friday. Could really be.
Yeah. I would hate that for the port, but I would
Yeah.
love that.
It's just free short to be clean. I'm gonna mark out as 5 minutes.
We have a 15-minute fair value gap all the way to the left of the Dodge indicator, like pulled out.
Oh yeah, I see it.
You see it? You said?
BPR, yeah.
Yeah. The 5-minute bodies are holding the CE perfectly here right now.
Yeah, I did peep. I feel like it's 5 minute. Loki has the inverse for data, but then the inverse is gonna be like right there. What would the scenario be in a long before the 5 minute inverse? I don't know if there will be one.
Yeah, honestly, I probably wouldn't even want to. We would have to have like the 5-minute fair value gap be the break even spot. So we'd have to wait for some sort of, IFEG up.
Yeah.
I wouldn't really want to probably take it unless it's like obvious.
Yeah, no, I agree. Honestly, I'm probably just gonna look to only short.
Yeah.
If we long up to that, I'll just let it happen. But
Yeah.
see if we can short down to 920.
Here's market open.
Yep.
All right.
Okay. Did not come up for the 5 minute. Holy shit. How big of a candle is this?
Like
60 points, damn near. Holy shit.
wow.
Just waiting here. Let's see.
Yeah.
We did have like a second slip, but we didn't come out of anything for it. So have that 5 minute unfilled on both pairs here too.
Yep. Yeah, I want to see that 5-minute really get tapped before delivering lower.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if we go to data high now.
You take the 1 minute OTE. 705 is pretty much CE the gap. The 5 minute.
Bet.
Got an SMT now instead of 5 minute.
Yep.
Pretty strong candle.
Yep.
For 705 tapped.
Dude, I was looking at like the 15 second and 30 second. There was no like fair value gap to even flip there to go higher.
Yeah. It'd be nice, like maybe this SMT holds. In the 5 minute, we get some kind of a nice flip down. I would ideally look to target like the 920 draw if I take any kind of short here.
920. Oh, okay.
Yeah, 29, 920. Yeah, AM lows from one of these sessions. So we can get like this 1 minute gap to form, and then see if we can get a nice flip on it.
Mm-hmm. We might be opening a 2 minute if we close this one minute.
Just saw that. Yeah. It could be weird.
That's why, cause well, actually, let's just see what this 2 minute does. Hold on. Alright, so we didn't even get it. That's good. So yeah, we just tapped this 2 minute here.
I'm not gonna lie, I did jab. I took the entry at 53. I'm gonna go break even at low of day right here. Let's see if I can hold for 920.
That was kind of.
We didn't get the close, but I was just playing the reaction off 705 and that CE.
Yeah,
so hopefully.
That's what I was just about to say. The 705 CE reaction was actually kind of insane.
Yeah. It's 30 seconds holding for now. We open up that 2 minute too, I think. Let me see. Super small 2 minute. See if we get follow through or not. You need to see ES catch up lower here. We just inverse that 1 minute finally.
Yeah, we got the dodgy signal there.
See if we get this low data hit. We also have an SMT there if we get it.
Mm-hmm.
Getting kind of wicky at the wick fill though. ES is catching up, which is good.
There you go. We just closed the 2 minute there.
But just looking to see that sweep there, and I'll go break even.
Mm-hmm.
Not really liking like how we're kind of wicking here. Wanted to see a spike through. I'm just gonna take a risk off there.
Yeah, nah, me too. That was good.
There's the low. Just holding for 920 now. It's pretty far, but
There was 962. I'm gonna target right here.
what's there?
4 hour, just a 4 hour low right there.
But I'm gonna go for the 0.75 and 982.
But
0.79 of the 4 hour range. So basically, like we get a resweep here. Down to it. How many points would that be? From 50s into 982. Yeah, honestly, I'm just gonna go for that 982 to be honest. I would hold for like the 920, but just the way we're moving, we're not like as heavy as I would like to see us to get to that draw.
That's fair. What's that? What's that 980?
0.79 of the 4 hour range.
Okay. Word.
So like final discount area. Just edging here.
I took to 963. I didn't
Honestly,
take,
961 does look like a good area as well that I have marked out.
yeah, I didn't take this on my funded, so I'm kind of pissed. I wasn't fully confident in it.
That's fine, honestly. Spike it. I kind of want to look for 961. It's lined up with the fibs that like we tapped into,
Yeah.
but I'm all out there.
Nice. Good shit.
That's it for me.
Good shit.
Bro, my P&L has been the same for 3 days in a row. Like,
That's fire. Come on. Don't edge. Why I'm dumping pretty hard here.
yeah, I low-key think, I mean, ES looks like it's going to go for its previous day low. Honestly, you could play off of that and maybe TP when ES takes it if you wanted, but that should align with the 920 low. Only went for 1.2R. I mean, that's just my bread and butter.
Nah, dude. That's all you need, bro. Bro, it edged my TP.
Where's your TP again?
963.
963. But
It edged it.
this negative 0.27 from like the fib, like we came to 705, negative 0.27 is at 961. So it's like a profit like projection kind of.
Okay.
And then negative 0.62 is at 914, just below that 920 draw.
In from the 2-minute fire. Yeah, this was super clean. I mean, so what did you take your entry off of? Just you took it off of the 1-minute candle.
Like it was, yeah, pretty much just discretion. Like so, like that 1 minute, I assumed it was gonna get inverse for sure. Like, but pretty much we came up in the sea of the 5-minute SMT 705 there as well, and then we had a sharp like reaction immediately, bearish, right?
Yeah.
So like we slowed down off of that like 931 candle and immediately flipped down.
Yeah.
So at that point, I just assumed like we're gonna flip and at least come down for low of day, and then we obviously have the high time frame draws below us.
Yeah.
So I pretty much was shorting to the high time frame draws, but just took it off at like a very make sense area.
Yeah.
So final discount of the range.
That's kind of exactly what I thought too. 5 minutes to
Yeah.
at 705, and then
I wanted to hold lower, but we just started to move a little like weird, so I didn't really like want to expand.
No, I get it.
But this could very well still just grind. But I mean, this week I've been doing better, just kind of holding like the low hanging fruit and then getting up.
Yeah. Come on, just
So
spike
take it.
bro. Come on. There we go. Bang.
Good shit. Oh yeah, let's go.
Good shit. Bro.
Super nice.
Yeah, guys, this was beautiful. We had the 30-second entry, the 15-second entry, 1 minute and 2 minute there. We could have taken any of those entries. That was pretty nuts.
Yeah, look at that candle. Definitely gonna send us for 920s here. An extra 20 points would have been what, 120.
Full TP at 6.3. Let's go. Let's go NCR futures. Yo, if you guys took it, send it in the successful trades. That shit was fire.
Yeah, no, that was like back to back days, just clean. Mind you, this week we never said to make it easy.
Yeah, dude.
Probably the only, like, one of the only ever weeks we've ever just gone without saying that. And like, it was just completely textbook. Call it out before market. We want to see the retrace into 5 minutes, some kind of sell model out of that.
Mm-hmm.
Picture perfect. Couldn't be any more beautiful.
That was. I don't even know what to say, bro.
Honestly, I was going to be pretty risk off, like, because it's Friday, but that setup right there was, I mean, dude.
Yeah.
CE aligned with 705. Like, I mean, at that point, just take that entry just because it makes sense. Look at that 5 minute wick out of that, like, gap as well. Holy.
Yeah. Wow.
Tap BPR perfectly as well. It's also that order block.
Bro,
Going straight down for this 920.
I swear to God, bro, if you just limited the BPR, you'd have like a
Mm-hmm.
80% win rate, bro.
I mean, that's the thing is, like, when I first, like, started learning about, like, imbalances, like, I would just limit the CE and then just put my stop at the high that, you know, we created the gap off of.
No, I mean, dude, that's kind of exactly how I started off too.
But then, like, over time, then you learn, like, entry triggers, and then, like, you go from limit ordering into, like, market ordering the lower time frame.
Mm-hmm.
I guess it's all the same in the end.
Yep.
Super clean. Looks like we're going to come down for these draws. Previous day low and the 920 draw on NQ here. Previous day low would break that SSMT as well. So looks like this will be a reverse TGIF. Honestly, bro, last night when I saw us take previous day low out and I saw ES was still like at the top of the range, I genuinely thought we would like come into the morning and have a TGIF Friday. But after seeing like the data print and then seeing how bearish we were after and then kind of like ditch that idea.
Honestly, I thought so too. Like last night, I thought we were going to have a bullish day, but
yeah. I mean, I saw the dump and I was like, okay, yeah, that's just like we kind of need that to go higher. And we got the sweep, we got the SMT. And then during Asia, we started to kind of buy up. I was like, okay, this could be like low key low of week.
yeah.
But then after coming into this morning, after the consolidation, and then we broke these consolidation lows, like, yeah. NASDAQ always makes us regret not holding.
I know.
Fuck the NASDAQ thing. I mean, that's the thing, bro. It's like, I don't know. I feel like I get more tilted trying to hold versus just taking what makes sense and leaving.
Yeah, Rohan, I just saw that they edged it. Oh, I probably just got it there. Dude, that was 922. That's what you called out too.
It's Timmy, bro. It's NQ Timmy that makes me like want to revert back to the
Bro, he's killing it, bro. It's actually insane.
Bro, all you don't even need one all are built for you to like leverage the fuck out of their rules. So it's like, bro, like anyone that would ever ask me about Apex, it was like use negative R to get past the trailing drawdown, or at that point just use negative R the whole entire time. Now end of day accounts are going to be easier. You can just still do negative R and they're end of day. So it's like that's how you take advantage of props. Now if you're on a live account, you can't maintain a negative R with fees and everything. You'd have to have almost a perfect win rate to do that. But I mean, on sim, like the goal is to just be rinsing them. There's the 920 draw. I can't believe we just shorted that clean.
Yeah, that was insane.
It's like, wow. Holy.
Rohan. Absolutely beautiful. Dude,
super clean.
Insane, bro.
What a clean week.
Insane. I don't even know how else to say it.
Dead ass, like, wow.
Alright, fellas.
Yeah. It's gonna be it. We're done before 10 a.m. once again. Pretty crazy.
Yep. Alright, fellas. We will catch you guys on Monday. Pretty easy.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Peace
Catch you boys next week. Later.